Next, we're going to turn on the nitrogen and the air supply to the laser. We'll turn the valve, the yellow handle straight down. The nitrogen is on. Then we'll come around over to here. The yellow handle behind the power box will turn on. Then we will turn on the air supply to the dust collector by pulling the handle down. Next, we will switch the valve from night air to shop air. Now we're on shop air. Next, we want to turn on the air supply to the unloader. Then we can turn on the power to the unloader. That concludes the video of turning on the air supply and gas.